margarine, fruit, nuts. You can put as much as you like into the brown bread. But she, like Stephen said, didn't waste the butter because she could sell the butter and it would make money. Anything, the eggs she would use to feed her children, sell them if she could. So today we are only going to use the ingredients she done, which was brown flour, which is wholemeal flour, white flour, bread soda and buttermilk. All right, so we'll quickly, that's it. And the measurements are very accurate, as you can see. So that's the brown flour, wholemeal flour, white flour. Give it a bit more white flour, yeah. A pinch of bread soda, like so, and you just bring it all together. So we just bring it all together very quickly. Buttermilk, yeah, that's the buttermilk, yeah. And that's what will be left over after the making the butter, yeah, correct. Now you just bring it together, and now if somebody came to the door back then in Molly's day, an unexpected visitor, she'd whip up a cake like this because the basket of oven would take too long to bake, yeah. Do anyone want to have a go at this? No? Nobody wants to have a shot at it?
You don't want to work.
You don't want to work, I know.
We enjoy you doing it.
Yeah, that's okay, yeah. So yeah,
You're a pro at it.
Yeah, it's very quickly, so you just mix it all together like this and bring it all together, yeah? Yeah, it's simply done, yeah, and the ingredients. White flour just to dry it up, and she'd waste nothing, you know, there'd be nothing wasted. I'm sure if she was here today she'd be shocked if she saw me wasting stuff here, you know. So you just dry off your hand with the flour, you know, you just, yeah, so we're just going to flatten it out with your hand. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. I'm just going to put that in your seat if you're okay. No, don't sit. You'll take it away in a minute. So yeah, so you just bring it together like that. It's so quick, yeah, it's very simple, yeah.
So there's no excuse now when you go home?
No excuse, yeah, that's it. Now, you always put a cross in the cake, right? The sign of the cross. And that's to keep the hunger away from the door. Like so. Like so, yeah, so. Now, and that's your bread.
Wow.
Yeah, very simple. Yeah, it's very simple, yeah.
I could probably do that.
You could, yeah, anybody can do it.
The question is who couldn't do it?
Now, so you always flour your pan, your griddle pan, you'd flour it. And you see Daisy, hit the slow one. That's okay. Yeah, and you just put that in and on top of the griddle pan, and that will take about 3/4 of an hour to bake. Yeah, and a nice warm fire. So I'm just going to tell you a little story.